Hello everyone. Last session we discussed about the material variance, labor cost variance and overhead variance. Today we are discuss sales variance. Profit method of calculating sales variance. Sales variance analysis is used by managers for identifying and understanding the reasons why the actual sales performance of a business differ from its original budget sales. The variances are analyzed as follows. First one, total sales margin variance. Total sales margin variance is equal to actual profit minus budgeted profit. Actual profit is equal to actual quantity of sales into actual profit per unit. Next, budgeted profit. Budgeted profit is equal to budgeted quantity of sales into budgeted profit per unit. Next, second one, sales margin variance. Due to selling price. The variance arises due to the difference between actual selling price and standard selling price. Sales margin variance is equal to actual quantity into actual price minus standard price. Next, third one, sales margin variance due to value. This variance arises due to the difference between actual quantity of sales and budgeted quantity of sales equal to standard profit per unit into actual quantity of sales minus standard quantity of sales. Let's have an example. Standard Manufacturers Limited has given the following budgeted and actual sales figures. Budgeted and actual. Product A, quantity 500 units and sales price is equal to 60 rupees, and actual quantity is equal to 600 and sales price is equal to 65 rupees. And next, product B. Product B is equal to 700 budgeted. Sales price is equal to 40 and actual quantity is equal to 650 and sales price is equal to 38 rupees. The cost per unit of product A and B was 55 and 32 respectively. Compute variances to explain difference between budgeted and actual profit. First we have to calculate total sales margin. Total sales margin variance is equal to actual profit minus budgeted profit. In this, actual profit is equal to actual quantity minus actual quantity into actual profit per unit. Minus budgeted profit is equal to budgeted quantity into budgeted profit per unit. In this we have to calculate first actual profit per unit. Actual profit per unit is equal to actual sales price minus actual cost. First one, product A. In this product A, actual sales price is equal to 65 rupees. Actual sales price. Next, actual cost. Actual cost is equal to 55 rupees. 65, 55, 10 rupees. And next, product B. Product B 38 minus 32 equal to 6. Next we have to calculate budgeted profit per unit equal to budgeted sales price minus actual cost. Product A. Budgeted sales price is equal to 60 rupees minus actual sales price 55 equal to 5. Next, product B. Product B is equal to 40 budgeted sales minus actual cost 32 rupees. 40 minus 32 is equal to 8 rupees. Therefore, total sales margin variance product A is equal to 600 into 10 minus 500 into 5 is equal to 6000 minus 2500 equal to 3500. It is favorable. Next, product B equal to 650 into 6 minus 700 into 8 equal to 3900 minus 5600 is equal to minus 1700. It is unfavorable. Therefore, product A plus product B is equal to 3500 minus 1700. It is 1800. It is favorable. Therefore, total sales margin variance is equal to 1800. Next, second one, sales margin variance due to selling price. Product A equal to principal actual quantity into actual price minus standard price equal to actual quantity is equal to 600 minus actual price is equal to 65 rupees minus standard price is equal to 60 rupees. 600 into 5 equal to 6 5 3000. It is favorable. Next, product to B equal to actual quantity is equal to 650 into actual price 38 minus 40 rupees. Standard price is 650 into 38 minus 40 is equal to minus 2. 650 into minus 2 is equal to minus 1300. It is unfavorable. Therefore, total sales margin variance due to selling price product A plus product B is equal to 3000 minus 1300 equal to 1700. It is favorable. Next, third one, sales margin variance due to value. Product A equal to principal standard profit per unit into actual quantity minus standard quantity. Equal to standard profit 5 into 600 minus 500. 5 into 600 minus 500 is equal to 100. It is 500. It is favorable. Next, product B. B is equal to 8 into 650 minus 700 equal to 8 into minus 50 is equal to minus 400. It is unfavorable. Therefore, product A plus product B is equal to product A is equal to 500 minus product B is equal to 400 is equal to 100. It is favorable. Verification. Total sales margin variance is equal to sales margin variance due to selling price plus sales margin variance due to value. In this problem, total sales margin variance is equal to 1800, equal to sales margin variance due to selling price is equal to 1700, plus sales margin variance due to volume is equal to 100 rupees. Therefore 1800 is equal to 1700 plus 100 equal to 1800.